How to add USDT to MetaMask. Let's get started. First, launch your MetaMask app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the plus icon. This is where you can add new tokens. Now over here, source for USDT. If it shows up in the list, just tap add and you are done. But if USDT does not appear, no worries. I will show you how to add it manually. Head over to the option custom token. Now for the network, select Ethereum. Then you can close this and launch your preferred browser. Navigate to this one website, coinmarketcap.com. Now here you're gonna find list of options. Search for USDT. Once it appears, click on it. Tether USDT. Scrolling down, you're gonna find this option contracts. Click on that. You're gonna get this option of Ethereum. Click on that and copy its address. Once you do that, close this. Launch your MetaMask app again. Navigate to custom token page and over here paste it. MetaMask should now automatically detect USDT. Tap next, then import, and that's it. You have now successfully added USDT to your MetaMask wallet. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to add Tether to MetaMask in 2025. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.